Hey everybody, it's Miss Lola. I am here in Virginia Beach on a weekend vacation right before Miss Lola's Wig Salon opens. I know it's going to be a busy week, so I took a couple of days down here on the beautiful ocean front to prepare myself for all of the wonderful things that are going to be happening. If it were not for the magic wig maker, there would be no Miss Lola's Wig Salon. These are the last couple of days that I just get to hang out and have fun before I take on a lot of other responsibilities. Just looking forward to it. I can't wait to tell you guys more about Miss Lola's Wig Salon. I'm going to be able to help a lot of women with hair loss in one day because I have my factory, I have my sewing machine upstairs in my wig salon. So when you come to Miss Lola's Wig Salon, you can get the service in one day. Come in with your hair loss problem, go out looking absolutely fabulous. Miss Lola's Wig Salon. Can't wait. Just what I need for relaxation before I open Miss Lola's Wig Salon and have such a busy few days ahead of me. Whew. I need this walkout and this workout. Beautiful here in Virginia Beach, right on the ocean front. I am loving it. The perfect relaxation right before I get ready to get really busy. Make sure I'm at the right place, honey. These houses are so huge. I don't want to walk into the wrong house. I think I'm safe though. Wow. Oh boy, this is the first floor. I've got 5 more to go. This just lets me know how out of shape I am. Woo! Here we go. Going up to the 2nd floor. Every floor has access to the beach. Oh. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am having such a great time. This is the week prior to opening Miss Lola's Wig Salon in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. Looking forward to helping women with hair loss look their very best. I got you. From Virginia Beach, this is Miss Lola. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.